now seeing everything from the back seat due to the simple fact that I am letting my little helpers back there, Isaac and Ayana, control the camera. Everybody say hi to the camera.
Hi!
We are on our way to pick up my friend Chris. And these little guys are going with me as well because they are going to be picking up a Christmas gift for my mom. Once we do that, we're probably going to head back to my place, and then we're going to all just probably sit around for a bit, and probably do this, that, and the third. Oh, we also have to go to GameStop, so that's yet another thing we're going to do. All right, guys. That's Brent. Back from the mall and getting everything done while doing errands. It's recording. Oh. We're back from running our errands. Get back. Jason and Deuce are here waiting for us. By the way, in this video, I don't know if I mentioned earlier, are going to be the guys from E3 Gaming. Chris.
What's up? Is what we doing?
Okay. Oh my God.
We doing this live.
There we go. We got Chris, Jason, and Deuces over there.
I'm never here. You can't see me in that camera. We can't.
No, you are light skinned.
Alright, so
You look like Lil Bibby.
so in this video, we will be building up my PC, which is going to be my productivity and gaming PC. We're starting off with this man is swinging this Hey guys, me again. Quick update. We have to go back.
We fucked up again while we were at Micro Center. So we needed a new motherboard. Then we realized, no, wait, we don't need a new motherboard. We need a new CPU. Yeah, CPU, because the CPU we originally had doesn't fit the motherboard. So now we're on our way back to Micro Center with the old CPU for the new CPU. So yeah, the guys are building the PC back at the house. Well, at least what they can of. And we're again going to Micro Center.
Turn that good old PC.
So this PC is now turning into a project.
A full-on project.
To which then everyone was hungry, so we're gonna go get food afterwards. Hopefully, if we don't die in the process.
Because
shit has not been lucky for us.
Yeah, I've had a shitty start so far, guys. I've almost gotten into 2 different accidents. Both of which were not my fault. They completely had to run. I had the right of way at all times. They kept wanting to try to get past buses and stop signs and this, that, and the third, and they just refused to just wait their turn.
Hey, you know what, baby? If you're looking at this, if you're watching this, if I told you to go ahead and watch Bobby's videos so you can get a little more subscribers, I know how you felt in the passenger seat, because a nigga felt like he was gonna die. It would have been my connect first. It would have been me that would have gotten most of the damage. But you know what? We're all right. We're fine. Let's hit it.
Bobby from Adventure Advise. I didn't really get to finish off the video properly, or I didn't even really get to record the video properly. My camera died, wouldn't charge properly, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish it up here. This is the next morning, of course, after my PC building. It was tedious. It turned into from a 30-minute job into like an 8-hour job, 8-hour plus job. We were here, we were back and forth to Walmart, to Micro Center, is that in the third, but it is finished, and this is it right here, and it is oh so amazing, just so you guys can see it. Look at the beauty, look at that, easy startup. I mean, damn near whisper quiet. It's lights up. It lets you know it's registered. It's registering. It's built. You know, booting up this, that, and the third. Registering is probably not the proper word, but you know, it was fun once it was all worth it once we finally got it to. You know, we plugged it in. We turned it on. It booted up. I'm currently using the TV as my monitor, so I can see everything. But it was, let me tell you guys, it was really worth it. I can't wait for this thing to have all that I need on it so I can start doing everything properly for this channel. But nonetheless, I'm so ready to get this thing going so I can finally do what all I need to be doing. It's, like I said, it's amazing. Right now, I'm still doing cable management and getting things near it proper for things like SD cards and, you know, multiple ports. So, you know, I can put my phone near it and charge and multiple things if need be. But anyway, guys, thanks for coming along for this adventure. My name is Bobby. I'm out.